Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to make an emission with checkers. I'm going to go ahead and delete the default cube right here, and I'm going to press G and bring the cube up. We'll go ahead and add in a plane, S for scale, and then I'm going to go ahead and place a cube against the plane. We'll go over to the shading tab, and if you haven't already, change your render engine from Eevee to Cycles. And I'm going to go ahead with the materials. I'm going to change the principal BSDF to an emission, and I'm going to go ahead and add in a texture which will be the checkered texture. We will go with colour to colour. And now we will change this to black and white. And when we press the render, you'll notice that this turns into an emission. And if we improve the strength, we can see that the emission is a little bit more powerful. And that's how you do checkers with emissions. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.